L'Oreal for me is invigorating.
Is magic.
For me, L'Oreal is adaptability.
Inspiring.
L'Oreal to me is an opportunity.
Talent is one of the big agenda for us in HR. If you see our HR vision, which is a school of excellence, our constant endeavor is to really build talent who are not just for local but as well as for global. One of the very great source for us to build this talent pipeline from the scratch is to have a great amount of campus engagement programs.
This is my first risk with the FMCG industry, and this is where I realized that I actually knew nothing when I thought I did. And it sort of humbled me as a person and grounded me and made me realize that there's so much more effort that I need to put in.
It's the first time we were visiting a factory. We started like early in the morning at 6 o'clock. We've seen the products in the shops and the markets, and we've seen how they're kept, but actually getting to know how they're produced and how they're packed and all. So it was really exciting, actually getting to know every bit of it was fun.
So at the Pune factory, we understood how manufacturing for any product is done. So basically, they're responsible for bulking up any process that R&I provides to them. So you understand that how they are correlated and integrated with the Research and Innovation Center here. And they do the bulking up and they make the products and sell it.
I'd describe my L'Oreal experience as #extreme.
#fascinating.
#exciting.
#transformed in 2 months.
This organization expects you to challenge and be challenged. You can actually top the chart in a particular field and be okay with the rest, and it's fine over here unless and until you excel in what you do.
When I joined L'Oreal initially, I was excited, but I also came with a set of inhibitions because I was sort of intimidated by the glamour quotient associated with the company, and I thought maybe I'd be required to dress a certain way, talk a certain way, be a certain way. But to my surprise, that's not true at all. They really appreciate individualism, and you're allowed to wear or whatever. They encourage you to wear whatever it is that you like and whatever best expresses you.
I lead the change.
I lead the change.
I lead the change.
I lead the change.
We lead the change.